In this video, you are going to learn how to convert linear equations from standard form to slope-intercept form. The steps to do so are right here. We are always going to move AX first. So the coefficient and the X get moved first. Then we're going to divide both sides by B because we want the Y by itself. In our first equation here, I notice my 4x is positive. So I'm going to subtract 4x to the other side. It cancels it out on the left, leaving 6y equals. These are not like terms. And in slope-intercept form, your mx is always to the left of the b. So this negative 4x has to be put in the front of that negative 30. You scoot it right in there. Now the y isn't by itself yet, so I need to divide everything by 6. And I separate it so that the negative 4x gets divided by 6 and the negative 30 gets divided by 6. Y equals, I can simplify this fraction. Negative 4 and 6 can both be divided by 2, so that becomes negative 2x over 3. And negative 30 divided by 6 is negative 5. You can also see it written like this. Y equals 2/3 x minus 5. Okay, let's try another. The first thing I want to do is move my AX first. So my AX is the 18x, so I'm going to subtract 18x to the other side, leaving 3y equals that negative 18x scoots right to the front of the negative 21. I'm going to divide both sides by 3. Y equals negative 18 divided by 3 is negative 6. X minus 7, because 21 divided by 3 is 7. And that is your linear equation in slope-intercept form. My next one, again, I'm going to subtract 6x to the other side because I always move my AX first. Negative 15y equals negative 6x plus 135. I need to get my y by itself, so I'm going to divide both sides by negative 15. And everything gets divided by negative 15. Y equals, I can divide both of those numbers by 3. So that's going to be a negative 2 over negative 5x. And 135 divided by negative 15 is negative 9. If I have a double negative here, it's going to make that a positive 2/5. So that is my equation in slope-intercept form. Your last example, just switch the positions of the AX and the BY, which is fine. I need to move the AX first. So I need to move that negative x over, so it's going to be plus x to the other side. 2y equals, that x scoots in front of the negative 6. Divide both sides by 2, and everything gets divided by 2. The invisible number 1 is in front of that x, so it becomes 1/2 x. Negative 6 divided by 2 is negative 3. So that equation in slope-intercept form is right there.